morning. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we're back again in providing you the latest smartwatch and smartband in the market. Okay, we have here the popular affordable smartband, the S9 Smartband. Right now, this one do have a lot of companies rebranding the Smartband, but overall, this one is the name of the band is the S9, or I mean the model of the band is the S9 Smartband. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the Smartband, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries if we have the time. Okay, again, our Smartband, we got it from gearbest.com, the leading site, the leading e-shopping site when it comes to smartwatches, smartband, smartphones, laptop, TV box, and other electronic gadgets. Again, this is the S9 Smartband. Okay, right now, the S9 color screen blood pressure Smartband is available at gearbest.com for $23.13 only. Okay, so let's check out the specifications and the features of the S9 Smartband. Okay, so let's have the unboxing of the S9. Okay, based on the graphics here, we have the all-day activity, step management, dynamic heart rate, automatic sleeping monitor. We also have message reminder, okay, alarm, smart track, and of course USB charging here. Basic specs, we have 0.96 inches TFT. Okay, so let's unbox and show you the S9 Smartband. So the contents are, so we have here the user manual, I mean the band. So where's the user manual? Let's check. Okay, it's inside. So we have the user manual, so available in English and Chinese language. As you can see here, we don't have a charging cable. Why? Because this one, the S9 Smartband, is using a direct USB charging technology. So we have here on the band, or inside this band, is a USB plug or connection. See here, USB. So let's check it out. Let's remove it. It's the same with the, remember our review, the Z Blaze plug. Okay, just pull it. Okay, we got it. Very tight. We have here the USB plug here, the connector. Just plug it in the standard USB port and your band will charge. That's it. No need an extra cable to charge your Smartband. Okay, let's put it back. Again, the Smartband will have a, as you can see here, a color screen. According to its specs, it has a 0.96 inch OLED or screen. Okay, now let's check again. TFT, 0.96 TFT screen. Okay, with 80 mAh lithium polymer battery. We have here a TPU strap, still here, still lock. Okay, let me put it. That's it. Okay, wide screen, it's lightweight, it's not good, it's not that very good looking, but it's okay. I think it's okay. It's simple. We have a generic design. We've seen this type of design from other Smartband as well. Okay, let's check out the specifications of this one, or the features. So it is compatible with Android OS and iOS. So we have here a heart rate monitor, dynamic. It also has a blood pressure measurement and oxygen saturation measurement. It is IP67 waterproof but not swim proof. It is available on black, red, purple, orange, light blue, and deep blue color. So we have here the orange color. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you are excited to see the menus on this one. So let's check it out. Okay, so that's how you. Okay, so we have the time, we have the step counter, we have the distance counter. As you can see here, it's in Chinese. Maybe after we bind it with its support app, it will translate or change to English. We have the heart rate monitor. Okay, we have here the blood pressure monitor. I'm pretty sure you want this one. Before, most of the Smartband are available only, or do have the heart rate and pedometer only. Right now, we see some of the latest Smartband we see a lot of latest Smartband with integration of the heart rate monitor as well as blood pressure monitor. So we have here 120/90. Next, okay, we have here the oxygen saturation measurement. Let's wait. Okay, let's remove this one so we can see it better. Okay, so we have, let's check it again. Calorie, heart rate, blood pressure, and the oxygen. Okay, again. Okay, getting closer. So it might take some time. It's taking some time. I guess the oxygen saturation monitor is very slow. But the blood pressure monitor and the heart rate is okay. Okay, we have 99. Next, we have the message. I think when someone message you or send you a message, I think you will see the contents here. You can read. So we have here the Untitled phone and the MAC address of this one. Okay, so that's the menus of the S9 Smartband. Again, the battery is 80 mAh lithium polymer battery with 10 days of standby time. Okay, for the support app, we have the sleep monitoring, camera remote control, sedentary reminder, message reminder, calorie counter, step counter, distance recording, clock, and date. Notifications for social app, WeChat, and other popular social messaging app like WhatsApp, Twitter, and Facebook, Instagram. Okay, so again, overall, very simple, very affordable Smartband, and available in different colors. So the sensors include heart rate, blood pressure monitoring, and oxygen saturation measurement, as well as pedometer. Okay, so again, let's check the overall design. Plastic casing. Overall, it weighs just 20 grams, I think.